How to add friends and play duo or squad mode in Free Fire. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. First of all, launch open the Free Fire game on your device, whether you are using a mobile device or your tablets. And once you're inside this lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the arrow right under Add on the right hand corner. And this will open up this Friends tab. From here, in order to add friends, go ahead and click on the search icon at the top right and enter a nickname or user ID of your friends you want to add. Simply go ahead and enter the nickname or user ID and search. In the search result, look for your friend's name and tap on the little plus icon right next to their name, this one over here. And once you tap on that, you'll be able to send friend requests to the person. Now wait for them to accept your friend request. Once they accept your friend request, you'll be able to be friends in the game. Now, in order to play duo or squad mode, go ahead and get to the home lobby screen and then tap on this little human icon at the bottom right in blue. Once you tap on it, you can then select the duo or the squad option. And then the duo option is for 2 players, whereas the squad option is for 4 players. Once you select squad or duo, you can then go ahead and copy this little code at the top. After you copy the team code, share it with your friends you want to invite. And once they join in, you can then start the game. After the estimated time runs out, you'll be able to play together with your friends, whether you are trying to play the duo or squad mode. So that's it. You now know how to add friends and enjoy duo or squad matches in Free Fire. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.